Properties of perfect squares. A number, first property is a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. A number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. For example, 82. 82 is a number ending with 2. Units place is 2. 93 is a number ending with 3. 187 is a number ending with 7. 248 is a number ending in the number 8. So these numbers end in 2, 3, 7 and 8. So these numbers are not perfect squares. None of them is a perfect square here. Second property, a number ending an odd number. A number ending an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. For example, 160. 160 is a number ending with an odd number of 0. That is only one 0 is here. In 4000, there are 3 zeros at the end. In this number, there are 5 zeros at the end. So these numbers cannot be a perfect square. This is the second property. Third property is if a number when divided by 3, a number when divided by 3 leaves a remainder 2, then it is not a perfect square. So let us check taking one example. Suppose 170 is a number. If you divide this 170 by the number 3, then 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18 and remainder is 2. So if remainder is 2, then this number is not a perfect square. So if a number when divided by 3 leaves a remainder 2, then it is not a perfect square. Similarly, in property 4, a number when divided by 4 leaves a remainder 2 or 3, then it is not a perfect square. Then it is not a perfect square. If 2 or 3, then it is not a perfect square. So when a number is divided by 4 and it gives the remainder 2 or 3, then it is not a perfect square. For example, 578, if you divide by 4, then you will get its remainder will be either 2 or 3. So this is not a perfect square. Property 5. The square of an even number is always even. The square of an even number is always even. For example, 2 square is equal to 4, which is an even number. 4 square is equal to 16, which is an even number. 6 square, 6 is also even, and its square is also even number. So this is property number 5. Property number 6. The square of an odd number, the square of an odd number is always odd. For example, 1 square, 1 is odd number and its square is 1. 3 is odd number and its square is 9. 7 is odd number and its square is 49. So the square of an odd number is always odd. Property number 7. The square of a proper fraction is smaller than the fraction. Let us consider a proper fraction. Suppose 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction, and if you find the square of this proper fraction, then you will get 2 into 2 by 3 into 3, and that is equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is obtained by squaring a proper fraction. You will see that 4 by 9, this 4 by 9, the result is 4 by 9, is always smaller than the given fraction, proper fraction, 2 by 3. So when we consider a proper fraction, and if you find the square of that proper fraction, you will get some result. That result will be definitely less than the given proper fraction. This is property number 7. And now we will discuss property number 8, 9 and 10. Thank you.